वैयासिक
नास्त्य नाश्रमिणो ज्ञानम् अस्ति वा नैव विद्यते विशुद्ध्यर्थाश्रमित्वस्य ज्ञानहेतोरभावतः अस्तेव सर्वसम्बन्धी जपादेश्चित्तशुद्धितः श्रुता हि विद्यारैक्वादेः आश्रमे त्वतिशुद्धता
अनाश्रमिणः ज्ञानं नास्ति अस्ति वा। अनाश्रमिणः ज्ञानं नास्ति अस्ति वा। नैव विद्यते पूर्वपक्ष अर्लियर शंका नैव विद्यते वाई ज्ञानहेतोः विशुद्ध्यर्थाश्रमित्वस्य अभावत्वतः ज्ञानहेतोः विशुद्ध्यर्थाश्रमित्वस्य अभाव। Anashramiणः, the one who doesn't fit in anything, brahmacharya, grahastha, vanaprastha, sannyasa. Says jnanam asti nava. Jnanam asti means can he gain knowledge or not? Or not? Purapaksha says naiva vidyate. He cannot gain knowledge. Why? Ashrama karma is for chitta shuddhi, and he is not in any ashramas, not local ashramas. Somebody stayed in the ashram for 3 years. He was self-sufficient, earned, etc. And ashram is not the place to stay. Ashram is not the place. People have got a fancy, no? So going and staying. You go there, hire and fire and come out. So go for a while, stay, give good donations and come out. Okay, so don't get lost there. Yesterday only somebody told. He was told by someone else. So, he is a bachelor. He is a bachelor and he earned well as well. He doesn't depend on anyone else. He stayed in the ashram. So therefore these are the varnashramas, not local ashramas, varnashramas. So there is, therefore he doesn't have the means of chitta shuddhi. Therefore he cannot get knowledge. Why? He gives the reason. Jnana hetoho dhishuddhyarthashramittvasya. The jnana hetu dhishuddhi. Jnana, for jnana what is necessary, what is the means? Antakram shuddhi. It is gained by what? Ashrama karma. So ashrama karma, he is not ashrami, therefore he has no means to purify his antakarna, and therefore what? Abhavata. So therefore ashramitvasya abhavata. There is no ashrama life for him. Ashrama karma, he has not taken to ashrama karma, which are meant to purify the mind. Without purity of the mind, how can he gain the Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana? It is not possible. For Siddhanta, Asti eva sarva sambandhi japadehe chitta shuddhitaha raikvadehe vidya shutahi tu आश्रमे अतिशुद्धता. तू आश्रमे अतिशुद्धता. अस्ति एव. What? Jnanam asti eva. But in the case of who? Anashrami, Jnana, they are capable, they can gain the knowledge. Why? For them there are some means other than ashrama karma. Sarva sambandhi means applicable to all human beings, whether were ashrami or anashrami, including mlecha, including shudra, including a person with a chandala. Including in a chandala also, there is what universal means are there for chitta shuddhi. Sarva sambandhi, what are those applicable to all the humans? Japa dehi, japa, upasana, prayer, Ishvara upasana, all these are, there is no ashrama necessary for them. Therefore, chitta shuddhita, as a result what happens? Chitta shuddhi is gained. And therefore, for which illustrations are there? Raikvadehi. Raikva was a cartman, but he was a jnani. Maybe Shudra or maybe, but not in any of the ashramas. Not even Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, because up to Vaishya, Varnashrama, this is there. Ashrama is there. Varna for Shudra also. So Raikvadehi, so that is that Shruti says, but one difference is that Ashrami has an edge over the others. His Shuddhi is more prominent than the Shuddhi gained by others. See? Two, the contrast note. Ashrami ati shuddhata. Chitta Shuddhi is more intense in where ashrama means if ashrama karmas are taken to overcome, ashrama taken. But others are not deprived of the chitta shuddhi and therefore they are not. Antaracha api tu tadrishte. Antaracha ashramam vina vartamananam api cha is api. Antaracha api, that is ashramam vina, those who are vartamananam, in the case of Atadil, cha, in their case also api. Api means Brahma Vidyayam adhikaraha asti. Also means they also who are not in any ashrama have the adhikara, eligibility to gain the Brahma Vidya. How do you say so? Say tadrishte. Tasya means anashraminah, tesham anashraminah or anashraminah Brahma Vidyadikarasya darshana. Like Raiko etc. who are anashrami, they have got the eligibility to gain Brahma. Then how do you say they have got it? Without eligibility, how can they? Suppose one has become a doctor, and a good doctor. What does it mean? He has eligibility, that's all. He has become a jnani. Without eligibility, how can he become a jnani? So therefore, darshana. So such evidences are there. That means they had Brahma Vidya Adhikara, and though anashrami like Raikvakrati is seen both in Shruti and Smriti. Caption: Viduradi, who have no ashrama, have adhikara to gain Atma Jnana. Sutra 36 end. Viduradi, who have no ashrama, have adhikara to gain Atma Jnana. Sutra end. Apicha smaryate. Again, smritis are there where one who was not in any ashrama is a great Brahmajnani, not ordinary Mahayogi. So that but none of the Apicha smaryate. Sutra 30 also was the same. Context is different. Apicha smaryate, the same pada, adhikarana, then adhikarana, pada. Apisade, is what? Smriti also is there to this effect. But that is different smriti, different topic, different adhikarana. This is different adhikarana. Apicha means anyadapi smaryate, where like Samvarta. Samvarta is the younger brother of Brihaspati. Something happened between the brothers, and I think because of harassment, he left, and he became Nagna, without clothes, and he was living in the jungles. He was away from this. And being Nagna, he can't take to any karma. But by upasana, he became such a great yogi, he became jnani. Not only that, at one place, some yajna was, Maruttaraya yajna was being done for Indra. He stopped it because by power of his upasana. For some reason, means he had that power, that much is there. So therefore, Samvarta, etc. examples are found in Smritis. Smaryate, Samvarta, etc., who are not in any ashrama, they are said, described as what? Yogi, jnani. So that is what Smaryate. Caption: there were Mahayogis who had no ashrama karma. Sutra 37n. There were Mahayogis who were not in any ashramas. Visheshanugrahascha, cha, apicha, and also apicha also Visheshanugraha. Visheshaihi means japa upavasa adi karma bhi, karma visheshaihi, by special means or specific means. What are the specific means? Japa, upavasa, upasana adi karma visheshaihi, which are jnana hetu bhi, which are means to gain the knowledge. Raikvadinam ashraminam vidyayam anugraha. Anugraha means adhikaraha. Grace not that way, basic matter. Adhikaraha, should add there shuyate. We find that these people have taken to japa, upavasa, etc., etc. As a result, this is what they got the sin. So it is says where told in the Shruti. Caption: Viduradi have sadhanas required to gain vidya. Next page, Sutra 38n. Viduradi have sadhanas required to gain vidya. Sutra end. That means it is better to take to japa, devatarajana. Why then every day Agnihotra, one day also you are not supposed to miss, etc. So that is, ashrama is व्यर्थ. Ashrama karmas are व्यर्थ. Ratna Prabha, first line. Tarhi ashramitvam vritha iti ataha aha atastu iti. So ashramitva will be useless, redundant. Why should he take to? It is cumbrous. So that is it. For that, answer is given by Sutrakara. Atahatu itara jayaha lingacha. Atahatu itara jayaha lingacha. Ataha anashramitvat. Then the anashrami two because this anashrami is Antaralavarti, hanging in between. Neither the Pakka Ashrami nor the this thing is totally disqualified in between. So Antaravarti is what? Itarat means Ashramitvam. Itarat Ashramitvam Jayaha, superior, because it gives the result fast. Shigrameva Vidya Sadhanam. It is the Vidya Sadhana which is more fast than the japa, etc. Itaradhyayah. How do you say so? Lingacha. Lingacha. Shruti Linga is there. So, Shruti Linga is there. See, Shruti Linga is there that ashrama karmi, he has got punya. Whereas anashrami has got papa. He has a drawback as such. He has got a drawback. And he says, even if one should not be without ashrama karma for a single day, such a mandate is there. And if he does, he remains for 1 year without ashrama karma, one kricha karma has to be done. One kricha separate there. Kricha chandrayana. One kricha has to be done. What does it mean? Ashrama karma has an edge over the japa, etc. Caption: Ashramitva is superior to anashramitva. Sutra 39 end.